Hi. In this video we will be talking about the power of negotiation, how to save money on everyday expenses. Watch this video to the end to explore the strategies and techniques you can employ to harness the power of negotiation and save money on your everyday expenses. Welcome back to the International CEO. Negotiation is a powerful skill that can significantly impact your financial well-being. From everyday expenses like groceries and utilities to big-ticket items such as cars and homes, knowing how to negotiate effectively can result in substantial savings over time. In this essay, we'll explore the strategies and techniques you can employ to harness the power of negotiation and save money on your everyday expenses. Understanding the basics of negotiation. Negotiation is essentially a discussion between two or more parties aimed at reaching a mutually beneficial agreement. It involves communication, compromise, and the exchange of concessions. The key to successful negotiation lies in preparation, active listening, empathy, and the ability to find creative solutions. Setting your goals. Before entering into any negotiation, it's crucial to define your goals and priorities. Whether you're negotiating the price of a new car or trying to lower your monthly bills, having clear objectives will guide your strategy and help you stay focused during the negotiation process. Research and preparation. Knowledge is power in negotiation. Before entering into any negotiation, do your homework. Research the market prices for the product or service you're negotiating for. Understand the features, benefits, and potential alternatives. The more information you have, the better equipped you'll be to make persuasive arguments and counter any objections. Listening is a critical component of effective negotiation. Pay close attention to the other party's needs, concerns, and preferences. By demonstrating empathy and understanding, you can build rapport and establish trust, which are essential for reaching a mutually satisfactory agreement. Be willing to walk away. One of the most powerful negotiation tactics is the willingness to walk away if the terms are not favorable. This mindset gives you leverage and signals to the other party that you're serious about getting a fair deal. However, it's essential to assess your alternatives and be prepared to follow through on your threat if necessary. Negotiation techniques for everyday expenses. Now let's explore some specific negotiation techniques you can use to save money on everyday expenses. Negotiating bills. Whether it's your cable, internet, or phone bill, many service providers are willing to offer discounts or promotional rates to retain customers. Call your provider and inquire about any available discounts or loyalty programs. Be polite but firm in expressing your desire to lower your monthly expenses. Haggling at the market. When shopping for groceries or other goods at local markets or smaller stores, don't be afraid to negotiate prices, especially if you're buying in bulk. Vendors may be willing to offer discounts, particularly if you're a regular customer. Price matching. Many retailers offer price matching policies where they'll match or beat a competitor's price for the same product. Before making a purchase, do some online research to find the best deal, and then ask the retailer if they'll match it. Bundled discounts. When purchasing multiple products or services from the same provider, ask about bundle discounts. Many companies offer reduced rates for bundled packages, such as combining internet, cable, and phone services. Negotiating rent. If you're renting a property, don't hesitate to negotiate your rent when renewing your lease or signing a new one. Landlords may be willing to lower the rent or offer other concessions, especially if you're a reliable tenant. Car buying. When purchasing a car, negotiate the price, financing terms, and any additional fees. Do your research on the vehicle's market value and be prepared to walk away if the dealer isn't willing to meet your terms. Healthcare costs. Medical bills can be negotiated, especially if you're paying out of pocket or facing financial hardship. Speak to your healthcare provider or hospital billing department to inquire about discounts or payment plans. Negotiation is a valuable skill that can help you save money on everyday expenses and achieve your financial goals. By setting clear objectives, conducting research, practicing active listening, and employing negotiation techniques, you can successfully lower your expenses and secure favorable terms. Remember, the key to negotiation is preparation, patience, and persistence. With practice, you'll become a more confident and effective negotiator, enabling you to maximize your savings and improve your financial well-being in the long run. Understanding the psychology of negotiation. At its core, negotiation is not just about reaching an agreement on price or terms, it's also about understanding human psychology and behavior. Emotions, perceptions, and biases play a significant role in shaping negotiation outcomes. By understanding these psychological factors, you can adjust your approach to negotiation and increase your chances of success. One crucial psychological principle in negotiation is the concept of anchoring. Anchoring occurs when the first offer made in a negotiation serves as a reference point that influences subsequent offers and counteroffers. For example, if you're negotiating the price of a used car and the seller starts with a high asking price, it can anchor your perception of the car's value, making it more challenging to negotiate a lower price. Another important aspect of negotiation psychology is the concept of loss aversion. People tend to value potential losses more than equivalent gains, which can influence their willingness to make concessions. By framing your negotiation in terms of potential losses for the other party, you may be able to create leverage and extract better terms. Additionally, understanding the concept of cognitive biases can help you anticipate and counteract common negotiation pitfalls. For example, confirmation bias, where people seek out information that confirms their existing beliefs, can lead to overconfidence and resistance to compromise. By presenting compelling evidence and challenging biased assumptions, you can overcome resistance and steer the negotiation towards a favorable outcome. Strategies for successful negotiation. Building on these psychological insights, let's explore some strategies for successful negotiation. Focus on interests, not positions. Instead of fixating on specific demands or positions, focus on underlying interests and objectives. By understanding the other party's needs and motivations, you can identify opportunities for mutual gain and generate creative solutions that satisfy both sides. Expand the pie. In many negotiations, there's a misconception that resources are fixed, leading to a zero-sum mindset where one party's gain is perceived as the other's loss. However, by adopting a collaborative approach and seeking ways to expand the pie of value, both parties can achieve better outcomes. Look for opportunities to create value through trade-offs, concessions, or innovative solutions. Build rapport and trust. Trust is essential in negotiation. Building rapport and establishing a positive relationship with the other party can facilitate open communication, reduce tension, and increase the likelihood of reaching a mutually satisfactory agreement. Find common ground, listen actively, and demonstrate empathy to build trust and rapport. Use objective criteria. When negotiating, rely on objective criteria and benchmarks to support your arguments and proposals. This could include market data, industry standards, or precedents from previous agreements. By anchoring your positions in objective facts and data, you can strengthen your credibility and persuade the other party to agree to your terms. Practice patience and persistence. Negotiation is often a process rather than a single event. Be prepared for setbacks and obstacles along the way, and don't be discouraged if progress is slow. Practice patience and persistence, staying focused on your goals and maintaining a positive attitude even in the face of adversity. Know your BATNA. BATNA, or best alternative to a negotiated agreement, refers to the course of action you'll take if the negotiation fails to reach a satisfactory outcome. Knowing your BATNA gives you leverage and empowers you to negotiate from a position of strength. Before entering into any negotiation, identify your BATNA and assess its viability as a fallback option. Applying negotiation techniques to everyday expenses. Now let's explore how these negotiation strategies can be applied to specific areas of everyday expenses. Negotiating utility bills. Utility bills such as electricity, water, and gas are recurring expenses that can add up over time. Many utility providers offer flexible pricing plans or discounts for energy-efficient appliances. By researching alternative providers, comparing rates, and leveraging your loyalty as a customer, you can negotiate lower utility bills and reduce your monthly expenses. Haggling at retail stores. While haggling may not be common practice in large retail chains, it's often possible at smaller, independent stores or local markets. When shopping for electronics, furniture, or other big-ticket items, don't be afraid to negotiate the price. Look for imperfections, ask about floor models, or inquire about upcoming sales or promotions to secure a better deal. Subscription services. With the proliferation of subscription-based services for streaming, music, and software, many consumers find themselves paying for multiple subscriptions each month. To save money on subscription services, consider consolidating or canceling unused memberships. Reach out to service providers and ask about promotional rates, discounts for bundling services, or loyalty rewards for long-term customers. Negotiating rent or mortgage payments. Housing expenses, whether in the form of rent or mortgage payments, often represent a significant portion of household budgets. When renewing a lease or shopping for a new home, don't hesitate to negotiate the terms. Offer to sign a longer lease term in exchange for a lower monthly rent, or negotiate a lower interest rate or closing costs when securing a mortgage. Car maintenance and repairs. Vehicle ownership comes with ongoing expenses for maintenance and repairs. When visiting auto repair shops or service centers, ask for itemized estimates and compare prices from multiple providers. Look for coupons, promotions, or loyalty programs that offer discounts on routine maintenance services such as oil changes, tire rotations, or brake inspections. Negotiating healthcare costs. Medical expenses can be a significant financial burden, especially for uninsured or underinsured individuals. When facing high medical bills, don't hesitate to negotiate with healthcare providers or hospitals. Ask about cash discounts, payment plans, or financial assistance programs that can help reduce your out-of-pocket expenses. Be proactive in advocating for yourself and exploring all available options for cost savings. Cell phone and internet plans. Telecommunication services such as cell phone plans and internet subscriptions are essential but can be expensive. Shop around for competitive rates from different providers, and don't be afraid to negotiate for better terms. Ask about promotional offers, loyalty rewards, or discounts for bundling services to lower your monthly bills. The power of negotiation extends far beyond the realm of business deals and salary negotiations. By mastering the art of negotiation, you can save money on everyday expenses, reduce financial stress, and achieve your long-term financial goals. Whether you're bargaining for a better deal on groceries, negotiating rent with your landlord, or haggling over the price of a new car, the principles of negotiation remain the same: preparation, communication, creativity, and persistence. By applying these strategies to various aspects of your daily life, you can become a more savvy consumer and take control of your financial future. Remember, Negotiation is not about winning at the other party's expense but about finding mutually beneficial solutions that satisfy everyone involved. With practice and patience, you can harness the power of negotiation to secure better deals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.